Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show all the creations that I've made throughout the week. If you want to know any more details or see more photos of anything that I share, everything is linked into the description box below, whether it was a blog post or a video. And you can find more information there, or you can leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Let me move these aside and we will get started. First up, I have this wonderful card, which was for a Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge of Autumn. Love that little cat getting ready to plop in those leaves. The name of the stamp set is Leaves Are Falling. And I dug through my stash for some paper and the Nestabilities die, and I just really like how that turned out. And then there's the inside. So there's that one. I do have a coloring video up of that, trying a new thing where I put up most of the coloring that I do. Some of it I don't, but I think that I'm going to try to average at least 2 or 3 or more coloring videos a week. If you like them, great. If not, then you don't have to watch them. It's all good. It's all good. Next up, I've totally embraced my holiday spirit, and it was time for the Craft and Kimmy Christmas challenge, and this week it was shaped cards. So I used this die from TLC Designs, and I liked it because it had all the layers with it, so I could layer it up. And the stamp set is from Craft and Kimmy, and it's Yummy Christmas. I just think that those little gingerbread people are so cute. And then there's the inside of that one. Next up, I was up on the Not Too Shabby channel where I made 2 cards using the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers sketch number 27 and the October 2022 Not Too Shabby Box of the Month. I really love how they turned out. I'm going to set that one aside for a minute. You can see the sparkle, I think, and the light there. Just so pretty with those Nutcracker doll stamp sets and the paper that matched. I like it because it's a different color palette for the holidays, and it's just so pretty, and I love how sparkly. And then on this one, I did some sparkles on there as well. Even though it's more masculine, their crowns and the swords needed that. And then there's the inside. So there's those. Then I have this card for my design team card for the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers using sketch number 27. This is a retired stamp set from Stamping Up and some papers from my stash. I love how elegant it turned out. I love this stamp set and I'm hoping to do more with it. And then there's the inside. I really love how that turned out. I think it's just so pretty and elegant. And then it was time for Craft and Kimmy's sneak peek release. Normally I do a separate video for that, but I decided this month I'm just going to try something else. I have a coloring video or a process video up for each of the 3 cards for the release, and then I'm going to put up like a slideshow type thing later showing all the cards that I created for the release. So later today, go check it out. This one is Mistletoe. I love that the moose in this set. They just are awesome. I added some glassy accents to that. I don't know if you can see the shine on there. It's the coziest time of year. There he is. He makes me smile and makes me laugh. I did paper piece his little sweater on that card. And then I ended the week with another Craft and Kimmy release sneak peek, Possum Holiday. Then also 2 of the stencils being released, the Gifts Galore layering stencil and the Classic Circles stencil. But I colored up those pups, super cute. And then I just stamped one on the inside. So those are my cards for this week. I have, like I said, later on today, there will be like a slideshow up showing all of my cards that I created using the Craft and Kimmy new release. And that release will be available in the Craft and Kimmy shop. It is a super, super fun and cute release for the holidays. You definitely want to check it out. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing crafty day. Thanks so much for stopping by.